Hey guys, let's start the video right now. 3, 2, 1. That's the end of the video. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Goodbye, bro. See you later in the next vid. See ya. Hey guys, Tom here back on the review. Today we got the Ultimate Premium Collection Sword and Shield. We're going to be opening this up. If you haven't seen it, it's one Pokemon card opening video. The Decidueye box. This is going to be way more. Oh, this opens up. Odd. Open. This is, if you guys don't know, this is super heavy. It's just a big chest. It's just this big thing. Sword and Shield. Not much to it. It's like a briefcase. Okay. Okay. There's the golden. Right there. All that golden stuff. Let's get to look to the cards. This opens up odd. So here's this first of all. Card dividers, metal, poison, and burn stuff. Here's all the packs. Or no, this isn't all of them. 1, 2, 3. This is half of the packs right here. 8. There's 16 packs in this. Metal dice. All this stuff. Golden dice. Not real gold, but metal gold. More card dividers. That's the first 10. There's 3 of them. So there's a Zacian and Zamazenta. There's a Zacian and Zamazenta card. Here's the Zacian card right there. And then here's the Zacian sleeves. Nice golden sleeves. And here are 4 packs. So there's 8 in here. This makes it 12 packs. And there's got a metal Zacian coin. This is full on metal. You can hear. More card dividers. For the Zacian 10. Oh, there's more for Zacian. Let me put this up here. It's a Zacian card. We also have these here. Charizard. And let me do some shiny. And there's the Zacian. If you want to see closer detail. And then here is we're going to put all the things up here. So I'll show you at the end of it. Here's the Zamazenta gold card. Zamazenta sleeves. You can hear they're metal. Here's the metal Zamazenta coin. There. If you want to see the Zacian coin, it's right there's Zamazenta coin. Zacian coin. If you can't see what this is Slowpoke. And right here is Snorlax. There you go. Eventually I'll find a better setup. 4 more packs. These are all the 16 packs right here. 16 packs. A lot of packs. More card dividers. And what's this? Okay. This is just telling you how to play. And then here's the guide of all the cards. Card guide. Right here. Code card. You can claim that if you want. And then that's the metal Pokemon. Here's this little. Is that? Did these things come out? I am so confused with this box. also just showing Zonzenta and Zacian. Yeah, that's what it's showing. So here are the first two. I got this because I sold some of my cards. Okay. And let's get to the first pack. Vivid Voltage. These are probably not in order. First, random side pack. Come open. So there's like a middle one with the card dividers, the dice, and everything. And then there's a Zacian side, a Zamazenta side, and the code card and the thing. Okay. Steel Energy. Thing. Jurassic. Alistair. Shuppet. Pharisee. Joltik. Sandio. C-Dot. Memory Capsule. And then Metagross. There we go, Metagross. Okay. Next pack is another Vivid. Oh yeah, these do go in order. Because so this comes with the dice of sleeves, 2 gold cards, and 4 packs from each Sword and Shield set, not including Shining Fates and Champions packs. Trash. Water Energy. I'll just say them and I'll tell you if we get anyone good. Dewott, Opal, Choodle, Riolu, Eevee, C-Dot, Drake, Reverse Trumbeak, and Ninjask Rare. 2 packs in only. If I don't get a single good, like GX or not GX, V, or VMAX or anything, I'm gonna cry. Jeez, another bad code. Oh, here, type the codes. Code. Where the code's gonna go. And then another code. And there's another code. Okay, getting double packs. As you can see, we're Dark Energy, Sableye, Dewott, Opal, Dynamo, Execute, Chatot, Clobbopus, Skidoo, Go-Go, Skidoo and Go-Go, evolve right after each other, Reverse Go-Go, and All Cream Rare. Still only 3 packs in. I'm not worried that we're not going to get anything. I mean, if we don't get, we're probably not going to, I mean, if this is the wrong code, we're going to get nothing in Vivid Voltage packs. This is Vivid Voltage, by the way. Dang it, nothing again. Code. 230. Okay. Leaf Energy, Shuckle, Dome-Eyes, Trumbeak, Muskery, Skidoo, Eevee, Trubbish, Shuppet, Reverse Dome-Eyes, and Jolteon. You can't see Jolteon character. Nice artwork on that. Very nice artwork. Nothing in Vivid Voltage, but I've actually been very lucky with Vivid Voltage recently, so I'm not mad. But now we're on the basic Sword and Shield. Yes, something hollow at least. The code for you guys. Those are for the TCG game. I don't know. 2. Okay. Water Energy. Ordinary Rod. Bead. Reboot. Mudbray. Pawniard. Scorbunny. Nickit. Chinchou. Reverse Cramorant. And Hollow Sandaconda. There's a hollow right there. Hollow. First hollow. Not bad. Just a hollow. Not bad. This is totally worth it. Shining Fates is expensive. And this is just as expensive as Shining Fates. And it comes with 16 packs. And that one comes with 10 packs. And this is everything metal. That one's everything plastic. This is just way better. And it comes with the 2 golden cards. That only comes with 1 Eevee card. There you go. Steel Energy, Rare Candy. We need those in Pokemon Go. Lumberry, Corvusquire, Diglett, Ferroseed, Goldeen, Rosella, Joltik, Clobbopus, Reverse Clobbopus, and Mudstone. Nothing yet, but we're gonna get it. Something. We're at least gonna get a GX, I hope. Yes! Good code! I showed you that code, right? If I didn't, you can claim it. Another code. Claim it. Okay, we got something. Police Hollow. Water Energy, Eldegoss, Air Balloon, Palpad, Mentino, Sobble, Flipbug, Baltoy, Wooloo, Reverse Wooloo, and Snorlax V, finally. Something. Snorlax V right there. I'm going to sleeve these cards, actually. I'll put in the Zamazenta sleeve. These are nice sleeves. There we go. I'm not going to say what the Sandaconda is just a hollow. You can get those pretty often. Next set after this last Sword and Shield is Darkness Ablaze and then Rebel Clash. So last Sword and Shield base set, then Darkness Ablaze and Rebel Clash. Those ones I'm excited for because Darkness Ablaze, I want to pull that Charizard. We've got not the shiny Charizard, but the other Charizard. It's good though. Still a very good card. Good card. Okay. Dark Energy. Ordinary Rod, Bead, Reboot, Mudbray, Pawniard, Scorbunny, Nickit, Chinchou, Garupi, Reverse Hall. Thievul! What? Darkness Ablaze! Yes, Darkness Ablaze. Probably one of my favorite sets ever. Oh, I like it out of all this. This is my favorite out of all the Sword and Shield. And I can't open it. Okay. Yes. You can see that. There's the code card. Give away all these code cards. I have so many. One video I'm just going to give you guys all my code cards. It's probably going to take like 7 parts. Just because. Steel Energy. Pupitar. Pokemon Breeders. Nurturing. Okay. Fletchinder. Yeah, Fletchinder. Panpour. Spinark. Bounsweet. Dunsparce. Electrike. Kinclane Reverse. Please be something good. Hey, it's a Hollow Suicune. I'll take a Hollow Legendary. I will take a Hollow Legendary. I will totally take a Hollow Legendary. I'll take that. I'll take that. I'll take it. It's a good card. Hollow Legendary. Nice. I'm not trying to just get at least a Hollow in all these Darkness Ablaze. This is my favorite set. Shoot. Dang. Let me open this pack. Why can't I open this pack? Thank you. The last time I got a Phalanx V. I didn't record that though. Got a Phalanx V. You're gonna see a little bit more Pokemon. Nothing. A little bit more Pokemon card opening now. Water Energy. Cape of Toughness. Leon's Cape. Vibro. Simistar. What? Paris. Gothita. Skarmory. Cubchoo. Wimpod. Devial Reverse. And it's a... Is it just me, or am I just pulling legendaries this whole video? Not a holo or anything, but it's a Lugia. I feel like I'm just pulling legendaries this video. I've already pulled like 4 legendaries. They're not all good cards, they're just legendaries. I'll take it. Legendaries. 2 more Darkness Ablaze. So this is gonna be a long video. Open pack. I cannot open the Darkness Ablaze ones. Did they like put extra glue on these or something? Thank you. Finally opened it. Nothing. Try that again. Get out of here. Two. 1, 2, 3, 4. Dark Energy. Combuskin. Darvia. As well as Aaron. Cubchoo. Rowlet. Jigglypuff. Diglett. Lairon. Reverse. Good. No legendaries. Okay. Finally. No legendary. It's like I got like 3 packs in a row of straight legendaries. That'd be funny if I got a legendary this whole video. Awesome. Sonic TV's coming over later today. Like 6. And then he's staying the night, so you can see him probably in 2 or 3 videos. Damn. Nothing. There we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Nothing. Not much good out of this box, but it's good. It's good. Leaf Energy, Lairon, Parasect, Spikemuth, Wimpod, Grimer, Clink, Ducklet, Mareep, Pupitar Reverse, and it's a... Yes, not another legendary. Now if I get a legendary, I'm going to be okay about it. Now we're moving on to Rebel Clash. I feel like I've got like one thing out of every set. That's what I feel like. I don't know, but that's what I feel like. So I have got a holo or one thing out of every set. So because I got the Suicune from Darkness Ablaze, I got the Snorlax from Sword and Shield base set, and I got the Sandaconda from Vivid Voltage. So something from each set so far. This is the last set, so hopefully I get something in this set. Hopefully it's like a VMAX or something. Leaf Energy, Dan, Carkol, Heatmore, Volibee, Galarian Corsola, Toxel, Galarian Mr. Mime, Snover, Reverse Electabuzz. That's some nice artwork there. Ninetales. Okay. I'll take it. It's not a bad thing, you know. Something! I got something in every set! That is so funny. There we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Fire Energy, Indeedee, Charjabug, Metapod, Stunky, Grubbin, Wingull, Natu, Barbuch, Reverse Phantom. And it's a hollow. It's a hollow. I'll tell you it's a hollow. Reverse Phantom. It's a hollow. I can see the hollow. Dirtulon! Hollow. I've got something every set. It's one thing. And then let's just pull a VMAX and then another VMAX. That will equal it out to a good box. No. There. There you go. Fighting energy. Heat more. X2. Draco. Roly-Coly. Meditite. Grubbin. Electabuzz. Not too. Roly-Coly. First Roly-Coly. And Aegislash. So. Okay. Please, 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 please give me something good. Last pack, by the way. Last pack. I just dropped the whole pack. Here's the code card. I'll tell you the rare. It's over. I can't see. The reverse is a nose pass. Jeez. Now, where's the rare? Where's the rare? I think this is the rare. And the rare is Barbuckle. We got one V out of that? Really? A V? Snorlax V, I'll take it. Three hollows. The two really good cards. Lugia. And yeah, that's I would say if you have better luck than me. If you have better luck than me, this is a very good box for its price. Very good box for its price. Very good. Very, very good. So yeah. I'm gonna keep those sleeves. I'm gonna sleeve some cards up with this. So yeah. Very nice sleeves on cards too. Very nice. So that's gonna end the video, guys. See you next time. Bye.